Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach good. First, always start with fresh, vibrant spinach. Wash it thoroughly under cool running water to remove any grit, which can be quite common. Gently pat the leaves dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner for best results. This crucial step ensures your spinach is clean and ready for cooking, preventing a gritty texture in your final dish. Proper preparation sets the stage for delicious results. There are several fantastic ways to cook spinach. Sautéing is popular. Simply heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add 2 cloves of minced garlic, then toss in your spinach for just 2 to 3 minutes until it wilts. Blanching involves a quick 30-second dip in boiling water, followed by an ice bath to preserve its vibrant green color. Steaming for 3 to 5 minutes also works wonderfully, keeping the spinach tender and nutritious. To truly elevate your spinach, consider its flavor pairings. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dash of balsamic vinegar brightens its taste beautifully. Creamy cheeses like crumbled feta or grated parmesan add a delightful richness. For an extra layer of texture and flavor, try adding 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts or walnuts. Even a pinch of red pepper flakes can introduce a subtle, pleasant warmth, making your spinach dish truly stand out. To ensure your spinach is always delicious, avoid a few common pitfalls. The biggest mistake is overcooking. Spinach wilts very quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes. Overcooked spinach turns mushy and loses its bright green hue. Also, make sure your spinach is as dry as possible before cooking to prevent a watery result. Finally, season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before serving to enhance its natural flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.